So welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. I got this to hopefully make the audio in my videos a lot better, and we're going on a trip real soon, so hopefully when I get back you'll notice the difference in sound quality between what I'm using now and the Lark M2. So let's jump into it. So as you can see, it's a Lark M2. Don't really know much about this company. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers recommend them. This is their combo kit, so it pretty much gives you every kind of adapter known to man. Opening it up, you have what appears to be, the standard. Oh, we got stickers. I'm guessing this is for the support information, the packaging list. So according to the packaging list, we've got the camera version, the USB-C version, the lightning version, a case to charge it, the windscreen, a couple plugs, some clips. I heard that these are magnetic clips, so it's really low profile. Here is the charging case. It's nice. A little bit bigger than what you'd put, say, your AirPods or anything there. Open it up, you got the LED indicator. I'm guessing it's fully charged. You've got your mics. So these would be your transmitters, and this would be your receiver, which would go on, looks like your receiver. Here's the USB-C attachment and the lightning attachment. Then you pull out the top tray. Let's see what is below it. These are probably the cables. Oh. Got a bag. Here's the carrying bag for everything. Windscreen. There's two of them in here. USB cable, USB-C, 3.5 millimeter. Something else in here. This is the magnetic mounts for it. So like I said, very quick unboxing. Probably do a more detailed video when I come back, but I just wanted to show you what you get. If you're interested in this product, links will be below in the description. Until next time, bye.